Are you exhausted from constantly chasing after paychecks? Picture a life where money cascades into your bank account as you snooze, journey around the world, or enjoy precious moments with your loved ones. Say hello to the realm of passive income. It's not some fairy tale. It's a financial approach adopted by shrewd people worldwide. Let's delve into the exhilarating universe of passive income, the concept of generating cash without the persistent demand for active labor. Some popular techniques encompass investing in dividend stocks, bonds, or even peer-to-peer lending. Also, the charm of rental properties as a revenue source is too significant to ignore. Yes, each method necessitates an upfront investment of time, energy, or financial resources, but the potential return justifies the effort. Consider, for example, a recent article by Business Insider that spotlighted 10 passive income strategies to amplify wealth in 2023, or the narrative of Cheris Chung, an undergraduate student at Pepperdine University who operates a thriving photography venture. She's discovered a method to earn passive income by marketing her photo editing presets. In 2022, she accumulated 5 figures in revenue, with $2,000 stemming solely from preset sales. And let's not disregard the millennial entrepreneurs who've constructed 6-figure passive income flows. They've offered advice on initiating, from reallocating money expended on brunch towards investing, to marketing digital products on YouTube. These anecdotes are a testament to the potency of passive income. So, how can you transition into this domain of financial liberation? Initiate by pinpointing potential income-yielding assets. These could be dividend stocks, rental properties, or even your unique digital goods. Remember, the objective is to establish or invest in something that will continue to yield income even when you're not actively engaged with it. Subsequent, conduct your investigation, comprehend the risks and potential returns of each income stream, and finally act. Even if it's a minor investment or an imperfect product, the crucial aspect is to commence. To conclude, passive income isn't merely a trendy term. It's a strategy that can furnish financial stability and freedom. It's a method to liberate yourself from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and commence wealth accumulation. So why not initiate the first move today? And remember, return for additional financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and activate notifications. Thanks for watching.